Putin хуйло.
Ah,
Putin хуйло.
Putin kurva. Ah.
Yeah.
Wah.
Я вам сейчас покажу, откуда на Беларусь готовилось нападение. И если бы за 6 часов не был нанесен примитивный удар, 4 позиции. Я вам карту принес, я сейчас покажу. 4 позиции. А?
Iya, kelas 4 itu. Я не понимаю русский.
Вот.
Я не понимаю. Nggak ngerti gue. I don't understand what you're speaking. Ha.
Блин.
English dong, Bang. Are you male or female sih? Are you female or male? Ah, Italia. Italiano numero uno. Ya. I don't understand, nggak ngerti gue. No. You from Ukraine? Yeah.
Yes.
Ukraine. Kiev. Yeah.
Yeah, Kiev.
Oh, Kiev. Hati-hati, be careful you. Because there are so many rocket from Rusia. Hati-hati. Nama lu siapa? What's your name? Lu cewek apa cowok sih?
My name is Dasha.
Dasha. Oh, you are female or male?
Girl.
Girl. Oh, you are a girl. I thought you are a boy. You know, you have a short hair. Yeah. Apa kabar nih? How are you? Is it good in Ukraina? So. Oh iya, because there are so many Russian army in your country. Aduh, yes. Iya. Don't near NATO because NATO is versus with Rusia. Yeah. NATO.
Putin хуйло.
Putin kurva.
Yeah.
Waduh, parah lu. Ngata-ngatain Putin lu, gue rekam lu. Ntar gue kirim ke ini nih. FBI Rusia. Ukraina. Siapa? Nah, what is your president? Who is your president? Zelensky. Aduh, you choose the president is comedian. Iya kan? Your president is comedian kan? Kan yang ngelawak. Serem kan?
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Oh, I'm Ukraine.
Ukraine. Lo lagi di mana sih di? Sempit banget. Tadi tuh lagi
Putin хуйло.
Kurva.
Oh, да, yes.
Waduh, pada ngata-ngatain Putin deh. Iya, Zelensky. Top. Waduh. Iya lah. Zelensky komedian. Very funny. Oh iya dah, be careful. Kayak kupluk lagi lo. You like rental in the Pila. Pila puncak.
I like football.
You like football, Shevchenko. Yeah. Do you know Shevchenko?
Oh, Shevchenko.
Andriy Shevchenko.
Andriy Shevchenko.
Yeah, Shevchenko. Zinchenko.
Yeah.
From Manchester City.
Oh, no.
Do you know Bambang Pamungkas?
Barca?
Iya, di Barca, benar. Bambang Pamungkas. Striker di Barca itu lebih jago daripada Messi.
Messi.
Singapura kok. Singapura.
Yes.
You from Singapore?
Yes.
Oh, why your jidat, your forehead is white?
But I Indian.
You talk English?
English little bit only.
A little bit only. Why your forehead is white?
My culture, Indian culture.
Oh, Indian culture. What is that? Is that a pain? Pain?
No, no, no,
No.
pain, no pain.
That's-
God one, God one.
Oh, garwan. Iya, kapur, chop, chop.
Ah, yeah,
What your name?
Shekhar Vijay.
Hah? Seher.
Ah,
Nama
Gimana?
Seher ya? Nama gue Mesin.
oh,
Mm-mm.
you from?
Indonesia. Oh,
Oh,
you from Singapura.
now working Singapore.
Oh, working Singapore, but you originally from India.
Ah,
You from Bombay. No,
no, Chennai.
Chane.
Ah,
Oh, roti dong Chane. Yeah. What are you doing in Singapore? What is your job?
scaffolding job.
Scaffolding. Oh, you are building apartment gitu.
Yes,
Like
yes,
that.
yes, yes.
Building house. Oh, scaffolding. Be careful you. Because
Thank you, thank
it's dangerous. Yeah. Ada aja. Tanya dong gue. I'm from Indonesia.
You stay now in Indonesia?
Iya, in Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia. I use VPN nih sih, VPN ke Singapura.
Ah,
So I meet you dah. Betul. Your family in India, yeah.
yes, yes.
Your
India.
family. You have family or you are single? Single.
I'm single.
Single. You haven't married yet.
Later.
Wah, later. Waduh, you have to find a girl in Singapura. Kan there are so many girl. You kenalan. Hello, my name is Seher. Setang Seher nih kena gitu.
No.
You like
My side family have.
what kind of girl you like? You like Indian girl or Chinese girl or Melayu girl?
Anything, no, yes. But good girl, okay.
Oh, the good girl ya. Not a materialistic girl. Not apa namanya gold digger.
You big man.
Aduh,
Nice
big man. Big man mah center dong. Big man like Anthony Davis, Shaquille O'Neal gitu, Bang. Wah, heran deh tuh. Cakep nih, beautiful. Привет, Ukraine. Ukraina.
Ой, его качают.
Ukraina. Zelensky.
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
No.
You from Ukraine ya?
Huh?
Ukraine, yeah.
Yeah, Ukraine.
Oh, you live in Kiev.
No, Kyiv.
Where? Where do you live?
I live in Dnieper.
Nyepet. Aduh, babi kali nyepet. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Lisa.
Hah?
Lisa.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's your name?
My name Kaleng Bras.
Про мать было лишнее, давай договоримся, хорошо.
Kaleng Beras.
Kaleng Barаш.
Iya, Kaleng Beras. Cakep banget dah lu. You have Instagram nggak? Boleh. Mata lu biru. Your eyes is blue.
Это я тебе повезет, связи пытаешься.
Do you have Instagram nggak?
My friends, so funny.
Silvana.
Нирвана?
What is your name? The other one.
It's Настя.
Iya. You. What's your name?
Настя.
Nasta. Susah banget nama orang Ukraina. Nggak kayak orang Jawa. Ngatiem, ngadimin. Nasja.
Во!
Oh, Nasja. Nama Nasja sih. Nasi Jawa.
Это хорошо. Что я скажу?
You from Myanmar?
Yeah.
Because you look like Indonesian.
Yeah.
I thought you are Indonesian, Bang. Because you have a same appearance. I'm from Indonesia. Wah, ente kayak Firdaus. I thought you are Firdaus. What's your name?
My name's Duka.
Tuka.
Yeah.
Oh, tuka namanya. Tuka apa? Tuka bajigur apa tuka somai? Tanya balik dong. Ente kagak ini. Kagak apa resiprokal. Yo, resiprokal. Udah sama kita banyak gantungan. Nih, I have gantungan. And you have gantungan juga tuh di situ tuh. Yeah, we hang the clothes, you know, the clothes. Nih, this is the clothes, and your clothes. We have the same side. Sama aja dah. Lu kenapa tutup mulut? Are you monyong? Ya, oh enggak tuh ganteng lu. You are very handsome.
Thank you.
I'm handsome from the elementary school. Subscribe.